Hey everyone, welcome back. Just wanted to do another unboxing. This is coming to you live after all the holidays that accumulated, including Valentine's. We had Fat Tuesday, we had Ash Wednesday, Ramadan. Oh yeah, and by the way, Lunar New Year. So we wanted to post this after the Lunar New Year season. So we found that Popmart released a kind of a Lunar New Year dedicated series called Have a Good Run. And so, yeah, so we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing here. Yeah. So this year is the year of the horse, and both Chris and I are horses because 1990, right? So we wanted to at least have a series dedicated to this, and so this was a good find. Yeah. We did see some previews of what things look like. We did actually purchase a couple of them, and then I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna buy the whole thing. So so far we had a couple of good ones. The ones that one I really wanted, and then there were a couple more, but I'm not gonna give that away quite yet if you are not tuned into my Instagram stories and stuff. So so right now we're trying to open up this
Get to this slowly.
Yeah, but it's a very cute design overall. Actually, before we open it and stuff like that, we should probably just show them like what this would look like. But we just wanted to get that plastic wrap off.
There you go.
So the box itself, this is what the box looks like. It's very, Lunar New Year theme. And then what you could possibly get. So in the past, I have gotten a couple of these, and so we will see if we can. We're on a quest for a secret. So
it's got a nice little hanging thing too. So if you want to put it back in here.
There you go. There you go. All right, how should we open this? Oh, there's another one.
Another one. Okay.
There's another little tape here.
More tape.
More tape. More tape to cut through.
Okay. That's one there. And one there.
You need to cut through the entire tape.
Oh, I got you. Don't worry. Oh, maybe not.
Yeah, that's why I was like, no, cut through the whole tape. Yep.
There you go.
Okay, so yeah, probably should cut through the whole tape before trying to
open it up.
Yep. Okay. So, well, thankfully, I'm able to open this all up. Oh, it's all good. It's okay. It's fine. I don't think we're going to keep the box after this, but...
The box is pretty cool, though.
It is cool. It is cool. I will say, it is very cool. But...
Lo siento. Un momento. There we go.
Okay.
Perfect.
So we have one side. Just open up the one side here.
Yep.
Okay. It's alright. I ripped up the box.
Actually, here, go open this way.
There you go. Alright, so this is the way to open it up.
Yes.
You have a couple of prongs on the side
wow.
here. And then you have the series of the boxes here. So we've got 7 here.
Lucky number 7.
Let's see what we get. All right, I'll choose the middle one. This is so cute. I really like the cover here and everything. All right, and this is what you possibly get. All right.
Oh, there is a secret.
Yeah, there is a secret. That's why I'm like, we're on the quest for a secret. I also would like the little boober one. That one would be very cute. All right, ready?
I got one too. Oh, there's a Labubu one.
There is a Labubu one. It's the purpley one.
Yeah.
All right. I hope I get. There's a couple that I'm like, maybe it will get replaced with a secret question mark. But
yeah.
Let's see.
What do I says have a good run? Like a run, like a. Yeah. This is a cool box, though. I will say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna open the first unboxing here. All right, this is in its usual cute little sack here. It's really cute. Anyway, so, all right, ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, so we've got, this is, which one was this one?
Sharp Wisdom.
Sharp Wisdom, okay.
It's a horse.
It is very cute. I really like this one too. And this is very pretty. I always like their Skull Panda series, so.
We do have quite a collection of skull pandas, so.
Yeah, so I think we really like the artist on this one.
Yeah.
So, all right, let's see what you get.
Let's go. Number 2. Going for a secret pool. Let's go.
Come on, let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Okay, see.
The bag. I like the gold. You got to save these bags. These are very, very nice bags. All right, let me see.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh, it's a pink one with a lot of hair. Here you go. Is it crying?
This is the Crybaby series.
Oh, yeah.
So this series is a little bit different, and it's got this cute little like knot, fortune knot on top.
Mm-hmm.
I want to say that's what it is. But anyway, so that one is something that we don't really collect too much. But the thing is that this collection is a culmination of all the other artists. So
Yes.
that's what's pretty cool about this series. So yeah.
Number 3.
Number three. Okay. Ready? Alright, let's hope. I'm hoping for a secret. I get a strong sense that we'll get a secret, but we'll see. Alright. Unboxing. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, alright, so we've got the what's it called? Best Dream. This one is, I think it's like from the Twinkle series or something like that. But it is a horse. It's very cute.
Mm-hmm.
It's not usually my best pick, but you know, it is what it is. So
That's true.
yeah. So there's that. All right, your turn.
My turn?
Yep, your turn.
All right. Super top.
Okay.
Dramatic boxing.
I love how you're doing all this like in your off center, but it's all good.
That's okay. Are you ready, guys? Feel something fuzzy. 1, 2, 3. Shaboom! The
The
Labubu!
Labubu! We
There you
love
go,
the
we
Labubu.
found it.
Yay! We love the Labubu. There's
There
that.
it is.
So cute. So cute.
It is officially called Happy Family.
Yes, and we really love this one.
Yes.
So, I kind of want to just buy one, just an extra one, just so I can carry it around. But yeah, I hope that I'll be able to find one there. All right, so we got quite a few here. All right, so we got 3 more left.
3 more.
So- Secret would be great. All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we've got, this one is the Good Health one. So that one's really, really cute. This is, I think this is from Hirono, I want to say, but yeah.
Cool.
So we got that one. That one, yep, we got that one, and that one's really, really nice too. All right.
Number 6.
Yeah. Number 6.
Alright, let's go, guys. She's getting prepped. Number 6 is going to be a secret. Shaboom. Oh,
Oh.
it's caught.
Oh, I love this one. This one's so cute.
It's red.
This
I like
is-
the red.
I think this is Demo.
This is Demo. Yeah.
Yeah,
Demo
this one I love the red. So, actually, low key already have one of these, but this is like one of my favorites.
It's Bright Future.
Yes, Bright Future. All right. Secret.
Secret, 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 secret.
Secret, 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 secret. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Nope, not a secret.
Oh.
It is, what is this one called?
Great health.
Great health. No, is it great health?
Yeah.
Great wealth.
Oh, wealth.
Great wealth. Yeah, this one is also very cute too. It's very cute.
Yeah.
This is a very cute one. I like that one.
I like the demo.
So unfortunately, no secret.
No secret.
But we got a few that we like, and so yeah, we got our collection. Thank you guys for coming along. Hope you guys like this video. Like, share, subscribe. All right, take care.